Dear sisters and brothers, I found 7 rings around sharing. 7 rings. Yes. Bearing, B-A-R-I-N-G, bearing. There is bearing in sharing. Caring. There is caring in sharing. Daring. When there is sharing, both can dare to do something great, something wonderful. Fearing. There are some moments when there is fear in one of the partner. When there is sharing in fearing, it's possible to face any fear. What's next? Offering. There are many wonderful, beautiful things, and there are certain painful, mysterious things, either from the part of the husband or from the part of the wife. Offer it. Offering is important. And then comes what? Can you guess? He's looking at me. Aaron, I wanted you to become my altar boy, but somehow a bit late, I think. Doesn't matter. Fearing, offering, persevering. We need that ring in sharing. One day, you are very happy, infant Jesus feast. You are sharing a lot, dukaramas and some drinks and some kuswar. Okay, but persevering in sharing, difficult. And then, last ring, suffering. There is suffering. Yes, my dear, I know your grandmother. There is suffering. When it is shared, when there is sharing in suffering, it becomes 50% less. You want to memorize the 7 rings? You just have that mnemonics. What is that mnemonics in psychology? You have done it in school. Just to remember BCD Forbes. BCD Forbes. F-O-R-B-S. Now, etymologically means the root meaning. I looked a lot for that. Sharing means cutting a portion of something which is my own and which is belonging to me, and I give it away without condition. Cutting a portion of my own and I give it away without conditions. Now, a recent research, 19th January 2023, has found emotional sharing, both conscious or unconscious, is 5 times more powerful and effective than physical intimacy in married life. Repeat. Emotional sharing, conscious or unconscious. All the time we don't feel that emotion, but that sharing is 5 times more powerful and effective in married life than the physical intimacy. All the readings of today point out at this sharing. Now, in a woman, in a wife, in a mother, in a single girl, I think, according to my readings and research, there is more sharing than a man. I don't know if I can say that. Men might disagree with me. But listen, then we shall discuss. First reading. God created trees, animals, water, sky, light, and every time when He created, every day in the evening He said, it was good. He saw it was good. He saw it was good. He saw it was good. 6 times He said it was good. But then, verse 31, verse 18, He said it was not good. 6 times he said it was good, and he said it was not good. Why? Can you tell me, Cheryl? Yes. It is not good for the man to be alone. Sharing a woman, a beautiful girl like you, he said, I want to create. It is not good for a man to be alone. And he created the woman, and verse 31, and he said, it was very good. Now, woman is a great person of sharing. Now, the great deceiver came in the world because of woman's sharing. Apple sharing. The deceiver because of the sharing by a woman, apple sharing. But then much more than that. Deceiver, why? The Redeemer. We got a Redeemer, tremendous Redeemer, because of the sharing of a man? No. Because of the sharing of a woman, Mother Mary. Yes, sharing, deceiver, but again sharing the Redeemer. Gospel. The Gentile woman. Can you minutely see her gene, I would say, of sharing? Lord, even the dogs are sharing the crumbs. See the intense insight in a woman about sharing. Now, over. 2 stories, especially for you, about sharing. One is sharing in fearing. Aaron, no? Aaron, Mummy said, is a mummy here? No, not come. Aaron, Puta, go to that room and bring my glasses, spectacles. Aaron went there, put on the switch. Switch is not on. Dark. Mummy, bulb is fused. I'm afraid. I can't go. That time his cousin sister had come. Yes, look at that. And she said, come on, Aaron. I too am feeling afraid of the dark. Hold my hand. We both will go together and both will get afraid of the dark. They held hand together. Both entered the dark room. Step by step, took the specs and gave to Mummy. Dear married people, there are moments of fearing. You cannot leave yourself alone in a dark corner. Let the partner share with you in fearing. The last story. You give the title, whether it should be caring or suffering or persevering. You give the title with that over. An old man and a woman, much elder to me. I have got half the dentures. I am giving a clue from here to here. Now they were eating a pizza in a hotel. The woman was cutting the pizza into half, again quarter, again quarter. And then she took 1/4, gave it to her old Maharaja. Maharaja opened the mouth, nyam, 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 started eating. Some big trailer driver came, and the driver saw this. Oh, my dear, I will sponsor you one more. Let him eat the whole thing. No, we are sharing, she said. She took another 1/4. Then college boys and girls came, and they saw this heart-melting scene. Uncle, auntie, we will sponsor for you. Let him eat the whole thing. No, we are sharing, she said, old grandmother. And half of it was over. Then the old granny removed her dentures from up, from down, and put it in her husband's mouth. He had no teeth at all. Sorry, the other way. And they both laughed at these youngsters. We are sharing. And now the other one started eating. The woman started eating the other half. Sharing. Is that caring? Is that suffering? Or is that persevering? So let us all pray that we increase in us this gift of sharing in the world of today. Amen.